You can see from the cockatoo right there that the mullet was an Australian invention, can't you? Magnificent.
Yeah, the
Very
Barnsie.
Johnny Farnham, circa
Yeah.
1994. Just another kiss, Johnny.
Yeah. Just be careful with birds. Oh, gee, that was romantic. And a little bit of tongue. Oh, no!
Was that wrong? Was that wrong?
I think it was, Stevie. That's okay. You got away with it.
You just touch tongues with a bird.
Okay, let's hope
Dude,
the
that's out
wasn't
there.
watching.
She wants more.
You don't know where he's been.
It happens.
Oh, Gandalf, it is a boy, yeah. Yeah, he's after more.
Oh, that's
Go on.
wrong. That's really wrong now.
No,
From the
it's right.
side? From the side.
You know you want it. Huh? Come over
Thinking
here.
about it.
Come on.
Someone's in love.
Huh?
Someone's in love. Don't hold back. Oh, now that is a world first.
That is a man who is at one with nature.
A love-hate relationship with the birds.
Yes.
That's all love right there.
Oh, dear.
Touch tongues with a bird.